At VARIDESK, we believe it should be simple to create an active workspace. So we've designed all of our products to set up and assemble in under 5 minutes. That means you can go from a stack of boxes to a complete sit-stand workstation in no time, with little to no assembly. And when you save time, you save money. Here we go. That's it. A complete active workspace in less time than it would take for you to just read the directions of other office furniture products. To see this demonstration in person or visit our showroom, call or go online. VARIDESK Active Workspace.